In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the text editor by underlining and bolding objects. So it says in this prepositional phrase, you need to underline it. So the prepositional phrase is against the incoming tide. So I'll put my cursor right before the A, click my left mouse button, drag it over to the E and tide, release it. I'm going to underline it, which this is the underline button. And then we have to identify the object, which is the tide. So we will click on that, scroll over, a bold, and then score and present feedback. Now in this case, if you wanted to undo something, you can click the undo button. We got everything correct, so we're going to go ahead and score and present feedback. And that's correct. Now we'll go and I will show you how to merge sentences. In this assessment, you're going to need to merge two sentences. Take these two sentences and make one sentence out of it. So the sentences are, she went to summer camp, I went to summer camp. So I'm going to take, she went to summer camp, my cursor in front of the S, hold the F button down, drag it over to the P, then release it, and then I'm going to Control C, which is to copy. As that's highlighted, then I'm going to go where it needs to be, the new sentence, and Control V. That will paste it in. So it's wanting us to merge two sentences, so it will be she and I went to summer camp. She and I. Or we can say we went to summer camp. You got to make sure your punctuation's in there. And that's how you merge a sentence.